Today we about to do a cam sensor on this 04 Nissan 350Z. So if your car sound like this, that means that's the sensor P0345, I think it is. That's bank 2 code. I usually change both because sometimes when you just change one, the other side goes and you gotta change the other side. So may as well just do both at the same time since we back there already. Anyway, so first things first, make sure your car is cool. Let's put your hood up. We have to extend it up more because we have to go in the back. We're not trying to take the manifold off. We're trying to do it from the firewall. You know what I'm saying? So let's begin. Okay, like I said, you see this hood, it's not high enough for me. I'm gonna just put this down and put a pole there. Okay, so let's put this down. Okay, so I put it like this high. This is how high it is. This is a lot of room for me to get back there. It's gonna be tight back there. Make sure the car is cool. You're not trying to do this hot. You're not trying to burn yourself. Okay, so the cams for bank 2. So if we were standing here in front of the car, bank 2 will be over here. This side we need to change. Okay, but we're doing both. Bank 1 and 2. Alrighty. Let's try to put this pole in the middle so I could do both sides. Alright, so we switch the pipe. Alright, the cams are back here. You see one there? That's a straight one. Bank 2 will be the L-shaped one that's over there. As you see. I don't know if you see it right. Up. See, I don't know if you can see. Right there. See that cam with the green on it? That's the cam. That's bank 2, the L-shaped one. All you need is a 10 mil to get back there. And yeah. Anyways, let's do this. Let's do this one first since it's harder. I'm gonna reach down there with a 10 mil. It's a 10 mil right here too for bank 1. So let me do the hard side first to get over with. You see the connector? I removed this connector right here out the way, so I have no room. As you see, this one was plugged over here. I took it off, put it to the side. And now I have more room. Let's get it back here to the 10. You're gonna get there with a 10 short and take it off. But if you want, just take a flathead and just take that off first, the connector. Okay, try my best to try to let you see what I'm doing, but there's no room for that. But anyways, let's take the connector and remove it with the flathead first. You see, squeeze this down right here. Okay, as soon as that thing pop up on it, see, look at that. Let's take it off. Like that, boom. You'll have to squeeze down a little bit more and just pop it up. Okay, now that's out the way. Now, the 10 mil right there. Let's move that. I got the short one. Short wrench to get in there. Or not wrench, ratchet to get in there. So I got it. Alright. Take that off. Okay. Now, what you gotta do is pull it out. There you go. There's the L-shaped one. It's the old one. This is the new one. You can put some oil around the rubber so it's easier to pop in there. I use some oil from this thing since it's on there. Put it around. around it. Should be enough. And just pop it back in there. Right back. Okay, make sure it clicks in there, pops in there. Take your 10 mil carefully. Go in there and tighten everything. Okay, once you tighten that, put the connector back on. And don't forget the big one we disconnected. Put that back on. It should pop up like so. Let's put this back. That's it. Now let's do this one right here. Easier one. Right in front of your face. Okay, now let's get a wrench this time, because this one I think I could fit one in there. This side you're gonna have to use a wrench because in there is a little tight. So let's get in there with a wrench. Try to turn it. If you get a ratchet one, it'll be better. Okay. Okay, loosen that one. Remove it. If you don't have skinny hands, this is not for you. Okay, let's take this off. Take off the connector. And slap the new one in. Okay. Let's take this out. And now, same thing. Squeeze down on the connector. Right there. Squeeze down. Push down. And remove it. Alright, so I use this to pop it out because it wasn't popping out with my fingers. Okay, so let's take the new one, put it in there, and wrap this up. Okay, once you put everything back, start it up, see if it start the way it's supposed to start instead of, you know, taking forever. Once you're done, your car's supposed to sound like this, the normal sound, just like this. See? That's how it's supposed to sound. If your car still sound like that, you probably, could be wires, man. Check your wires. Could be your fuel pump. Could be something else. All right. So this, if you have that code, it's definitely your cans. All right. Make sure you change both. Okay. So, already know. I helped you out. If you like and subscribe. Later.